Is it the right time to buy or sell NIO stock? In this video, we'll delve deeper into NIO. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, December 29, 2023, and now we're here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since December 26, 2023, our system has identified NIO as a strong investment opportunity, giving it a score of 1.25. Now, let's delve into the stock's performance during this period. Unfortunately, the stock hasn't met our expectations, experiencing a loss of 2.79% so far. This means that on average, it has been losing 0.7% per day since it was flagged as a buy candidate. This stock is currently in a wide and falling trend in the short term, which could present a selling opportunity for short-term traders. It is expected to react back towards the lower part of the trend. A potential trend shift may occur if the stock breaks the top trend line at $9.43. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a projected minus 2.41% change over the next 3 months. The potential return during this period could range between minus 23.84% and 1.42%. The 12-month trend suggests a minus 11.74% change over the next year. The potential return during this period could range between minus 40.17% and 42.63%. This translates to a price range of $5.43 to $12.94 after a year. Our latest update on NIO brings an important headline. NIO stock has been downgraded from a strong buy candidate to a buy candidate after Friday's trading session. On the last day of trading, Friday, December 29, 2023, the NIO stock price experienced a decrease of minus 3.82%, dropping from $9.43 to $9.07. Throughout the day, the stock price fluctuated by 6.48%, ranging from a low of $8.95 to a high of $9.53. It's worth noting that the stock price has risen in 7 out of the last 10 days and has shown a notable increase of 15.39% over the past 2 weeks. The decrease in volume on the last trading day, in tandem with the stock price, can be seen as a positive indicator since volume should usually align with the stock price. Specifically, the trading volume decreased by minus 17 million shares on the last day, with a total of 74 million shares being bought and sold for approximately $670.38 million. Looking at the past 52 weeks, we observe that the highest stock price reached $16.18, while the lowest point was $7. Currently, the price stands at 43.94% below the 52-week high, equivalent to $7.11, and 86.46% below the all-time high, amounting to $57.92, which was recorded on January 11, 2021, with a price of $66.99. Analyst ratings. On Monday, June 12, 2023, UBS assigned NIO a neutral grade and recommended to hold the stock. On Monday, June 12, 2023, Citigroup gave NIO a buy grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, March 14, 2023, JP Morgan rated NIO as neutral and downgraded the stock. On Thursday, March 2, 2023, Telsey Advisory assigned NIO a neutral grade and downgraded the stock. On Thursday, December 29, 2022, Citigroup gave NIO a hold grade and recommended to hold the stock. Analysts have given NIO stock a general buy rating. They strongly recommend buying the stock based on its PE ratio and price-to-book ratio. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts remain neutral. Today, we're going to discuss the signals that have been identified for NIO stock. The NIO stock is showing positive signs as it holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages. This indicates a promising forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relation between these two signals, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In case of corrections downward, there will be support from the lines at $8.79 and $7.79. However, if the stock price breaks below any of these levels, it could issue sell signals. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Although some negative signals have been issued as well, these may have some influence on the near short-term development. A sell signal was recently issued from a pivot top point on Thursday, December 28, 2023, resulting in a minus 3.82% fall in the stock price. It is predicted that the stock may continue to fall until a new bottom pivot has been found. It's worth noting that the volume also decreased along with the price during the last trading day. This reduction in volume reduces the overall risk, as volume should ideally follow the price movements. Here are some other signals that you may find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, it's indicating a buy signal. Pivots, it gave a sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger, it provided a buy signal 8 days ago. Short-term moving average, it indicated a sell signal 8 days ago. Long-term moving average, it signaled a buy 12 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, it showed a buy signal 12 days ago. If we analyze the 12-month chart, we can observe the following signals. Short moving average, it indicated a buy signal 12 days ago. The long-term moving average, it gave a buy signal 5 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, it showed a buy signal 69 days ago. You can find more signals by visiting our page at StockInvest.us. Today, we'll be discussing support, risk, and stop-loss for NIO. Let's start with support levels. Currently, the stock finds support just below today's level at $8.35 and $7.92. It's important to note that when a stock tests a support level, there is a natural risk involved. If the support level is broken, the stock may fall to the next support level. In the case of NIO, if the support at $8.35 is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $7.92 and $7.43. Now let's talk about risk. This stock is considered high risk due to its volatility. It can experience significant movements throughout the day. The Bollinger Band indicates a large prediction interval for NIO, further highlighting the risk involved. To provide some context, in the last day, the stock had a price range of $0.580 between its high and low, which is equivalent to a 6.48% fluctuation. Over the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 6.39%. Before we continue, let's take a moment to understand some important fundamental data about NIO. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A negative P/E ratio indicates that a company is either making negative earnings or losing money. It's not uncommon for established companies to go through periods of decline, often due to external factors. However, consistently negative P/E ratios could be a sign of insufficient profit and potential bankruptcy risks. Moving on, the next earnings report for NIO is expected to be released on February 28, 2024, covering the fourth quarter of 2023. Today, we're going to explore some potential day trading levels for NIO. If NIO experiences an upward trend, its first resistance level can be found at $9.10. If you don't currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait until this level is surpassed before considering entering a position. However, for those who already hold the stock, this could be an interesting level to consider for swing trading. On the other hand, if NIO encounters a downward movement, its first support level is at $8.35. If this support level holds, it could present a promising entry point, with the potential for a rebound. Today, we want to discuss an important recommendation for you, setting a stop loss at $8.60, which represents a decrease of 5.15%. Before we go into the details, it's essential to understand that this particular stock experiences significant daily movements, making it a high-risk investment. Now, let's delve into the analysis. We've identified a sell signal from a pivot top that was detected just 1 day ago. Is NIO stock a good buy? Despite the stock being in a falling trend, there are several positive short-term signals. This suggests that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for the stock to perform well in the short term. However, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock from a strong buy to a buy candidate due to some small weaknesses in the technical picture since our last evaluation. When we analyze the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, January 2nd, we expect NIO to open up with a $0.113 increase and start trading at $9.18. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. It's always wise to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Keep in mind that StockInvest.us provides information for educational purposes only and should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. In this video, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We value your opinion, so please share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear your target for the stock as well. If you find this content helpful, remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights. Our goal is to help you succeed in your trading endeavors. Thank you for tuning in, and we hope you have a wonderful day. From all of us here at Stock Invest, happy trading.